In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Redbubble profile picture in 5 minutes. If you're an artist or a shopper on Redbubble and you're looking to update your profile with a new picture, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and I'll take you through the steps to freshen up your profile on this fantastic platform where independent artists showcase their incredible work. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Redbubble website. It's the hub where creativity meets unique buyers like you who appreciate original designs. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to access your account, and for that you'll need to click on the login link. You'll find this option prominently displayed, typically at the top right corner of the page. It's your gateway to entering your own profile and making any desired changes. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Start with your email address, the one you use to register on Redbubble. It's important you enter the email address correctly to avoid any login issues. After inputting your email, it's time to type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so be sure you're entering it exactly as you set it up, paying attention to any upper or lower case letters you might have used. Once you've filled in your login details, you'll notice a login button. Click on it to proceed. This action will take you directly into your Redbubble account, where you can begin the process of updating your profile picture. From here, the steps to navigate through the website remain intuitive. Despite being logged in, you'll want to stay on or return to the home page of Redbubble. This is where you can explore awesome products designed by independent artists, but more importantly, it's where you'll start the journey to update your profile picture. Now look towards the top right of the page. You should see your current profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded one yet, a placeholder image. Click on this image to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these, you'll find and select Account Settings. This is essentially the control panel for your Redbubble account information, including where you can change your profile picture. Once you're in the Account Settings area, locate a section dedicated to updating your profile picture. Here you'll be prompted to choose File, which means navigating through your device's storage to find the new picture you'd like to use. Make your selection carefully, bearing in mind the image will represent you on Redbubble. After you've selected the file, you'll then click Upload to finalize the change. A couple of tips for choosing your new profile picture. Ensure that your picture is clear and appropriately represents you or your brand. Also, consider the dimensions recommended by Redbubble to avoid ending up with a stretched or pixelated image after the upload. Once you've uploaded your new profile picture, it might take a few minutes for the change to reflect across the site, so be patient. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to changing your Redbubble profile picture. This small change can make a big difference in how you're perceived on the platform, whether you're an artist looking to attract more viewers to your work, or a shopper wanting to personalize your experience. Remember, updating your profile picture is just one way to keep your Redbubble profile fresh and engaging. So don't be afraid to explore other settings and options within your account to maximize your presence on this vibrant creative platform. That wraps up today's tutorial on changing your Redbubble profile picture in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Redbubble or a seasoned member of its creative community, I hope you found these instructions helpful. Thanks for watching and be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Redbubble experience.